So we're back again with another review of a particular software highlight. For this, we will talk about the Video Converter Factory Pro and see if this is actually worth it. First thing you need to do is to head over to videofactory.com and then you can find the HD video converter. Just head over and click on pre-download right here. Download it and install it as usual. So this is what the interface looks like. So as you can see, it has a lot of features and it includes converter, downloader, recorder, GIF maker, as well as toolbox. So let's tackle them one by one. Let's do the converter first. So clicking on it will open this tab wherein you can just click on this plus icon and then locate the actual media that you want to change. So I have right here this MP4 video. Let's head over and change it. You can choose right here the output. So you can choose between MKV as well as other options that you want. So you can also click onto this none option in order to add subtitle options as well as change the audio track available. You can also use right here your actual media thing as well as change the quick setting to change the actual quality. So my PC actually runs NVIDIA, which is actually where the hardware acceleration takes place. Here you can see how long or how big the actual file will be, duration, as well as the quality. Let's head over and click on run. So from there, you can see this right here, and here is the progress bar. As you can see, it's done. Head over and click on open right here in order to see it. Here is the actual video. So earlier it was an MP4 and right now it's actually an MKV. So let's see. As you can see, here it is. So how long did it take? So it takes less than 5 seconds. So that's amazing it is. So aside from MKV, you can actually convert a lot more such as AVI, WMV. You can also choose other formats such as web formats, audio formats, UHD formats right here. As you can see, they actually support up to 8K, which is the new trend right now. You can also select the device that you want to use for this in order to actually show what that will be for up. So they have support for converters or projectors as well as other iPhones and other options right here. They also have support for movies or TV. Now let's tackle a downloader. Let's click on this right here and just click on new download. Now it will ask you for the URL. Let's head over and paste right here a URL. You can get one from YouTube or from other providers. Input this, then click on this analyze. And then as you can see, the download module is being updated. You can see the processing bar right here. And as you can see, you can actually see the details of that actual link. You can see the thumbnail, the name, duration, the audio language, and you can also choose the download format available. So as for right now, the highest resolution available is 480 pixels, but this is actually dependent on the actual video that you got from YouTube and not to the actual HD converter. So you can see a lot of resolutions as well. So just head over and then choose the format that you want. You can also choose to download the audio only and also download the subtitle. And from that, just head over and then click on OK in order to finalize this. And as you can see, you can just click on download. It will calculate the time or estimated time of completion for this, which is actually quite small, so it should finish in a bit. As you can see, it's right now ready, and you can find it right here. As you can see, the file is already downloaded. So the next thing on our list is the recorder. As you can see, they have a screen recorder wherein you can just drag the cursor or enter the full screen recording mode. Choose the format that you want it with, the frame rate as well as the quality, as well as the GPU acceleration. You can choose the desktop or the audio as well as the microphone that you want to use for this. And you can just head over and then click on this recording in order to start recording. So let's head over and click on this. And you can just head over and then record as usual. So the next thing on our itinerary is the toolbox. As you can see, we have a lot more features right here, such as this photo to video maker, split screen video maker, ringtone studio, and subtitle extractor. So this has different features that you can actually get. So you can head over and then just use them to your liking. You can click on any which one of them, add those image. As you can see, I have added an image. Just head over and click on create video. You can also add more if you want to. Once you have done that, head over, click on create. And here you can see it loading. You can also get or buy their actual subscription. You can see all the full version benefits for that. So while we're trying it out, you can see it right here. As you can see, the video has now been created. So that's all there is for now. As you can see, this particular tool is really an all-in-one, a jack of all trades kind of feature that any video editor or content creator alike would like to actually get. So if you want, you can click on the link on the description to get this particular tool. Thank you so much for watching.